National Teen Driver Safety Week, empowering the next generation of safe drivers. This week marks the annual National Teen Driver Safety Week, celebrated from October 20th to October 26th. This crucial event aims to raise awareness and provide education on safe driving practices to teens across the nation. With motor vehicle crashes being a leading cause of death for teenagers in the United States, this week is packed with initiatives, activities, and educational programs geared towards instilling responsible driving habits among young motorists. Kicking off with an array of engaging workshops and interactive sessions, schools and communities are joining forces to stress the importance of seatbelts, adherence to speed limits, avoidance of distractions like mobile phones, and sober driving. A highlight this year is a nationwide contest that invites teens to create impactful public service announcements about safe driving. The winning entries will be featured across social media platforms and local television stations, amplifying their voice in promoting safety on the roads. Parents also play a pivotal role during this week, as they are encouraged to have open conversations with their teenage drivers about road safety rules and expectations. To support these dialogues, numerous resources, such as guides on how parents can effectively communicate safety tips, are being made available online. The excitement surrounding National Teen Driver Safety Week underscores its vital mission: keeping our teen drivers informed, prepared, and most importantly, safe.